Hello students, I am Aditya from Creative Edge. Today we are going to cover one of the most important topic, and that is what are the different fields of designing. So here we go. There are four major fields of design. First, fashion design. Second, industrial design. Third, communication design. And fourth one is lifestyle and accessory design. Fashion design. Fashion design is all about creating of cloth and other accessories. It's a very huge industry with many departments like textile design, knitwear design, apparel design, fashion technology, fashion styling, and of course, fashion design. Industrial design. It involves designing of mass production of consumer products. This vertical has many departments like furniture, interior, product, toy and game design, application design, etc. Communication design. Communication design broadly deals in translating ideas and information through different mediums. It includes courses like photography design, web design, application design, UI and UX design, film and video communication, popularly known as VFX design, exhibition design, and etc. Lifestyle and accessory design. This design comprises of all the product, which accessories, garment or space. This department has many courses like jewelry design, leather design, bag and purse design, footwear design, lifestyle and product design. For more updates regarding this, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.